All right, I got my coffee in hand. Let's do this. Hey, picture this. Massive trolls built from old barnwood and bourbon barrels sprouting up at Dix Park. I mean, it's like actual giants made by 500 volunteers. Getting around Wake Forest just got easier and cheaper if gas prices have been bugging you. And a sweet 8-year-old dog named Sammie, who's basically already house trained and just needs a couch to call his own. I might have to run down there. I'm Steve Rhode, and here's your good morning good news for Wake County. You will not believe how glad I am you're back with me today. So let's get into it. And stick around, I got your dad joke for you at the end. It's safe for all the kiddos and cars. All right, so something kind of magical is happening at Dix Park. There are these giant trolls. I mean, I'm talking massive. And they're made entirely from recycled stuff. Old barnwood, fences, even bourbon barrels. The News and Observer says around 500 volunteers have been working on these things, and they're almost done. I might have to run down there and look at that. I mean, think about that for a second. 500 people showed up to turn trash into art. That's the kind of project that makes you wonder what your neighborhood could build if everyone just decided to show up. I mean, heck, we have a tough enough time getting the entrance to our neighborhood mowed. Think about building all this stuff. Wow. I kind of need to see what 500 people can create when they get weird with old barnwood. If you've been looking for a weekend stroll destination, this might be it. Drop by Dix Park. And I'm curious, what do you think about having giant art installations like this in our parks? Let me know using the contact form at tapyournews.com. Speaking of making life easier around here, if you're in Wake Forest and gas prices or traffic have been getting to you, well, GoTriangle's got you covered. Wake Weekly says starting November 9th, they're rolling out all-day express service. And that's supposed to mean better connections to Triangle Town Center and straight into downtown Raleigh. And you know what's nice? Options. If the traffic on Capitol Boulevard is making you rethink your life choices, I mean, sometimes it's just gridlock. Here's your out. November 9th is when it starts. Mark it on your calendar. All right, last one. And this one is for the dog people like me. If your couch is missing someone to share it with, there's an 8-year-old sweetheart at the SPCA of Wake County named Sammie. WRAL says he's fully neutered, all grown up, and ready to go home. None of that puppy chaos. Just a calm, reliable buddy waiting for his forever spot. Older dogs are kind of underrated, you know? I've adopted older dogs in the past. They're past the chewing everything phase, and they just want to hang out and be loved and be part of your routine. If that sounds like what you need, Sammie's the guy. Go meet him. If you want more information on any of these stories, check out the episode description. I got links to everything for you right there. And hey, if you're enjoying this, hold on a minute, stick around for your dad joke. But also, be sure to follow the podcast on whatever platform you're listening on. And while you're there, leave a 5-star review. It really helps more people find good news that will help them to change their outlook on the day. All right, that's what I got for you. What's going on right here in Wake County today. If you enjoyed this, share it with one neighbor who needs a smile. And hey, head over to tapyournews.com to join the email list. You'll get notified every time a new episode drops. You can also use the contact form right there to reach out. If you're into true crime, check out my other podcast, True Crime Cases You Haven't Heard, at truecrimeunheard.com. Oh, before I let you go, you ready for this? Who won the neck decorating contest? It was a tie. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.